Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly, screen replacement and repair. First remove your back cover, battery and SIM card, then remove the 11 circled screws. Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly Stage 1. Now lift the battery compartment from the bottom, in the direction shown by the arrows. Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly Stage 2. You should now have the battery compartment removed, as shown below. The jack plug, indicated by the arrow near the top of the image below, can be levered free, as can the speaker, indicated by the arrow near the bottom. Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly Stage 3. To remove the flash, indicated by the arrow below, turn the phone over and push from the other side. Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly Stage 4. Push the flash from the point indicated by the arrow below. Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly Stage 5. The flash is now free. Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly Stage 6. Now disconnect the cable indicated by the arrow. This attaches like a plug and socket, so just lever it up, away from the circuit board, to unplug. Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly Stage 7. Next lift the circuit board up and over from the bottom left corner, as shown below. Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly Stage 8. Another cable needs to be disconnected. Again, this attaches like a plug and socket, so just lever it up, away from the circuit board, to unplug. Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly Stage 9. You should now have the circuit board removed, as shown below. If the LCD screen is not already free, lift it slightly from the point shown, do not use force, and use heat from a hot air gun or hairdryer to soften the adhesive tape holding the screen in place. Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly Stage 10. The LCD screen should now be free, as shown below. The earpiece, indicated by the arrow below, can be levered free. Nokia Lumia 710 Disassembly Stage 11. Disassembly is now complete. Reverse the whole procedure for reassembly. If you've found this disassembly guide useful, please support formimobile.co.uk and order the tools and parts you need from our site. We ship worldwide.